Today's video, we are going to learn that how we can create an AI-based YouTube channel where we will tell kids stories. So this channel will be telling about the kids stories and how kids can learn from our stories, and we can make lots of money using this technique. So let's start this. And we are going to distribute this video into 4 parts. Part 1 will be create a story with ChatGPT, and part 2 will be create AI images for a story. While in the third part we are going to discuss how to generate AI free voiceover, and in the last and fourth part we are going to create a story video. So let's start with ChatGPT. So after opening the ChatGPT, I'm going to give it a prompt to write me a title for a kid's motivational story. As you can see, it has created one for me. Now I just need to tell him to write a 100 words story about the topic, about the title it has given me. Now as you can see, it has written the story for me. Now we are going to create images, and for this I'm going to tell you two things, two websites, two AI tools. One of them is Blue Willow AI. You can search it on Google as I'm doing it. Once you reach the website, then you need to just click on join the Discord, and then you just need to write /imagine space prompt. It's going to show you the prompt itself, and there you just need to paste some of the lines from the story you created from ChatGPT. As you can see, I have pasted each and everything. Just need to remove all and paste some of this, so we could get images. And here I'm going to click on U1 and U2 and U3, so I could get the best resolution of the images, and I'm going to download it. And another way, which is my favorite, is Lexica, and we are going to find Lexica in Google. And once we found it, then we are going to click on the Lexica's first link. And as you know, I have told in my previous videos that we can also create generate images in Lexica, but I do not think that we need to generate the images and they waste our time there. Instead, I'm just going to paste a small part of my story there, and I'm just going to search for the already generated images and going to select one of my favorite. So as you can see, now I have generated enough images for me, my story, and now I'm going to generate the voiceover. For this, I have told you in my past videos about different other websites. You can check out my recent videos for that. And I have told you even better tools what I'm going to tell you today. But today I wanted to tell you about some new and latest tools. So that's why I'm using a different tool today. So the new tool name is 11 Lab AI, and I'm going to search it on Google, and there I'm going to generate free voiceover for my video. As you can see on this 11 Lab tool, I'm going to generate my voiceover, which is very easy, and just I'm just going to create it in a jiffy. But the thing is that there are very limited options, while on the other tools where I have told you in past, including play.ht, there we have lots of features, but it is limited. We can create limited kind of content, so there are some limitations, but we can create more and more Gmail accounts and make more free accounts to use that, or we can go to pro version. Once we got the voiceover, now we just need to go and find Canva on Google as usual. And after opening the Canva, we just need to search on Canva about YouTube videos. And after getting the size for this YouTube video on Canva, now I just need to upload the images. I have told you about this in my previous videos. You can feel free to go check out all the detailed. But here I'm going to show you quickly how I'm just importing the video images which I just created, and now going to do some effects on animations, so this would look great. And at the end, I'm going to even show you how this story is looking like. So I will show you in the end, but right now I'm just going to tell you how I'm doing this. So here you can see I'm selecting few effects and trying different effects on every image, and going to change the size of the length of the image, the animation, and this is how I'm going making it. So be with me, and I'm going to tell you in detail how it's working. So in the start, as you can see, I just made the images screen, so most of the part of the images got cropped, and the result of this was not looking so good. So for this last fourth video of the dragons, I'm going to keep it small as the original size, a bit larger than the real size, and filling the rest of the canvas of my video with one color. And this is also the way we can do this, and I'm just going to show you that this is also a way. And there's one more thing that we could create images with landscape size. Now I'm going to add voice over there, so it would look and the voice is what I generated from 11 labs. Now I'm going to place that voice here, so it could mix up with the images and create a story mode. And here you can see on the third picture, I was thinking that it's not looking good as it should be. So I'm just decreasing the size of this. And also I had a picture of a girl for me, which I created in the past for my other works. And now I'm going to add that girl's image here, and I'm also going to animate it. So it's looking much better, even better than past. Now, as you can see, the story has been created. Of course, it's not a complete story. It's just a sample, so you can understand how you can create the story yourself, and it's very easy. And because of the help of the AI tools, we just created it in a jiffy. So here I'm going to play the version of what I have created, so you can see.
In a vibrant village nestled amongst rolling hills lived a curious little girl named Lily. With sparkling eyes and an infectious smile,
I hope you like this tutorial, and I have also added lots of other tutorials, so you can go and check them out. And if you like my video, please click the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and keep following me, and please share this to your friends and family if you think that they would be interested in this content.